Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can actually build AI voice agents within 5 minutes and sell them to small businesses from anywhere between $297, even as high as $497 per month per business every single month coming in. And businesses will love to pay you for it. So if that interests you, hang there with this video because what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a software platform that I've been using over the last 4 years that has been completely built around this specific purpose of actually helping out small businesses and actually creating AI solutions that can actually help businesses answer phones and be able to collect information, answer questions, and book appointments all without the business owner ever getting involved. So right now, what I want to do is I want to introduce you to a software platform called HighLevel. Now, you might have heard of HighLevel, maybe not, but HighLevel is a full sales and marketing platform. It literally has hundreds of features built in it, but I'm not going to talk about all those. I'm only going to talk about one today, and not only that, I'm going to show you, I'm going to hop in and we're going to actually build, and I'm going to show you it requires no technical expertise. You don't even need any experience, but you will need practice. I'm not saying that anybody could just hop in here and do it right off the bat. Okay, so this is the HighLevel software platform. Now, this is just one of my demo accounts and I'm actually going to show you. I don't want to actually use a production account for this to show you. But right now, there is a section, again, please don't mind all of the menu options. Again, there are hundreds and hundreds of features inside of HighLevel for you to be able to help out small businesses and make money, but I'm only going to show you one. And that's called a voice AI agent, also known as an AI employee, also known as an AI receptionist. They vary. All of them still have the same functionality. They're all going to answer the phone for the business 24/7. They're all going to answer questions. And the one with HighLevel is able to actually book appointments because the calendaring feature is actually integrated directly into the software platform. There's no third-party tool. It's not like I have to use one tool for the AI receptionist that connects to a second tool to do the calendaring that connects to a third tool that does the CRM. All of those components are configured inside of HighLevel automatically. I just want to show you how easy it is to create this, how it works right out the gate within the first few minutes, and just show you, is this something that you think you can do? Because if it is, you can just simply offer this service to small businesses for $297 a month and start seeing the money roll in. I'm going to go to the AI agents and I'm going to click over here. There's a lot of different agents we could choose from, but I'm just going to choose voice AI. That's the component that does the inbound and outbound calling for HighLevel. There's also other agents that control things like an AI chatbot on the website, or if you're doing social media management or you want to communicate via WhatsApp, SMS, or email, there's another agent that handles that communication. The voice AI just handles the calls. So if we hop in here, I'm going to sit back and just simply create from scratch because I want to just show you right off the bat. I'm not going to have a pre-made template or anything like that. Now, one of the options that you see here is that you can browse the marketplace. This is really valuable because a lot of people inside of HighLevel create these AI voice agents and actually publish them in the marketplace for free. So if you're going after a specific niche, it could be home services, it could be massage, it could be dentist, it could be whatever. At that point, they could have a voice AI agent already built, specifically designed and tested for that particular industry that you could just download for free. But for here, I just want to show you creating it from scratch if you had to. And again, this is the worst case scenario. If you had to start from scratch, how hard is this and how quickly could you get it done? So I'm just going to choose Create Custom Agent and click Continue. Now here, there's a few things that I want to do. First of all, if you take a look here, it actually has brought in this demo account name. I'm going to remove it from DigiGlobal Agency. We're going to be Plumbing Masters today. So Plumbing Masters obviously is a plumbing company. So I just want to make sure I change the name here, and I'm going to come down here in the very bottom. This is the greeting that you can configure. And I'm just going to simply change the company to Plumbing Masters. So we can say, hello, you have reached Plumbing Masters. How can I help you today? That's the greeting that you're programming the AI voice to say. You can say whatever it is you want, but just for the sake of simplicity, I'm just going to change the company name and click Save. Now that we have that, one of the things I want to do is just show you that's all I did. And we did that in probably less than 60 seconds. But within 60 seconds, this is what you can at least offer a small business, being able to simply offer them the ability to have an AI employee, an AI receptionist, answer the phone calls, gather information from the customer, and then pass that information on to people in the shop. Or we're going to actually go through a little bit further and show you how you can actually book appointments. But I'm taking you through step by step on this process. So if we go ahead and click on this, I'm going to go ahead and just start a sample call. Let me turn up my volume here so that we can hear it and see how it works. Now, there's a couple of options we can choose here. Just to let you know, here at the top, there are a couple things that I could choose the voice. Here, if I click on that, I could choose many different types of voices. This right here is Jessie. It's a default. It's a female. Right now, there are a lot of different other voices that you can program.
Donovan's deep voice is the sound of articulate authority.
So again, there are, I would say there are 100, but there's at least 100 voices in here that you could choose from. But again, for simplicity, I want to show you that we could choose any voice that we want. I'm just going to leave it as Jessica. And I can actually choose a different version of ChatGPT. That is the LLM that generates and runs this particular AI agent. So I could choose what version of ChatGPT I want as well. And then I can even change the language on this one. Keep in mind, there's English, German, Spanish, French. So this isn't just for the US. You can use this around the world and have any of the languages completely in here for you. So I'm just going to leave it at English and just simply show you how this works. Let's make a sample call.
Hey, you have reached Plumbing Masters. How can I help you today?
Yes, my kitchen sink is leaking and I need somebody to come fix it as soon as possible.
Got it. A leaking kitchen sink definitely needs quick attention. I'll make sure our team gets back to you promptly to schedule a repair and get this sorted out. Could I have your name and the best phone number to reach you?
Sure. My name is Ray O'Daniel and my phone number is 212-555-8888.
Thanks, Ray. So I have your name as Ray O'Daniel and your phone number is 212-555-8888. Could you also share the address where the repair is needed?
Not right now.
No problem, Ray. Our team will reach out to you soon to arrange the repair and confirm your address then. Thanks for calling Plumbing Masters. We're on it and you'll hear from us shortly. Have a great evening.
Now, that right there is pretty cool. Now, if you could just configure that inside of the HighLevel software system, that right there again took us what? Literally right out of the bat, it took us less than a minute to create this thing. And that is the experience that we got already. It picked up. Now, it didn't actually answer phone calls yet because I haven't connected that AI agent to what's called a knowledge base. And again, I don't want to get technical, but a knowledge base is just simply a large group of frequently asked questions. It could be documents that you upload that actually has questions and answers that will program the AI so that anytime those questions are asked, it has the appropriate answers that you've already programmed to give the person whenever they call. But I just want to show you this right here is desperately needed by small business owners. Now, I don't know if you've heard this. This is something you can look up. Up to 62% of all inbound calls either do not get answered or do not get a response to from a business owner. Up to 62%. Now, that's not across the board, but it's at least somewhere between, I think, 25 to 62% in that area. So 1/4 to almost 3/4 of the calls don't get answered right off the bat. Now, here's another interesting statistic I want to share with you. 78% of all the people that will call a service, this is home services, so 78% of all of these people will go with the first company that answers the phone. That's a statistic. 78%. Now, if you just simply do the math, if each customer is worth $500 or $1,000 and you're getting 5 or 10 calls a day and you don't answer 60% of them, and if you can have this voice AI agent pick up, that can guarantee you that 78% of those people will use your services as long as you can talk to somebody, answer questions, and book an appointment. Now, I'm going to sit back and just show you a couple of other enhancements that I'm going to do, and then we're going to make our call again. So right now, what I want to do is I'm going to try to blow this up a little bit here. Go to the knowledge base. Now here in the knowledge base, if we wanted to, we can simply click on this. There are a lot of different knowledge bases that I have pre-configured. Once you do, all of the stuff that you're seeing here, I have a lot of this stuff already pre-built that you can copy and paste. So all of these knowledge bases, you don't have to build them. I'm giving them to everybody that signs up using the link in the video description. So right now, there we go, plumber's knowledge base. So we're dealing with the plumber, so I'm going to use a plumber's knowledge base. So now that I've done that, that's probably about 50 or 60 frequently asked questions that now I can sit back and actually ask the AI agent questions, and then it will give me the appropriate answers back. Now, the next thing I want to do, let me click on save so I can save this. I'm going to go under actions. I'm going to click on this button right here that says new action. Now there's a lot of things that we can do here, and I don't want to get incredibly complicated, but there's a lot of advanced features that this AI agent can have. But I just want to show you one of them, the appointment booking. So the appointment booking, if you wanted to actually give an appointment, book the calendar, and actually have the automation where it sends emails out to people saying, hey, your appointment's confirmed, or text message right after they call saying, hey, your appointment's confirmed, to let the person calling know that appointment is in place and is now booked on the calendar. This right here is what we need to do. So I'm going to go ahead and choose appointment booking. Now here, I do have to have a calendar already configured. I did that just to save time. Let's just say that takes 3 minutes to go through and create the calendar. So we'll add 3 more minutes to our total setup time. So we might be around 5 minutes right now at this moment. Right now, I'm going to choose Plumbing Masters as the one that we're actually using, and I'm going to click Next. Pretty straightforward. Now, here's some of the things that you need to make sure of. We obviously want to get the email address, but I'm going to get phone number, full name, the address, and just add any notes to that, like notes of why you're calling, what the problem is about to it. But here's some of the things that you need to configure. I like it that it offers 2 days worth of appointments. So it'll offer today and tomorrow and the next day. So 2 days, and then we'll do 2 appointment times during those days. That is what the AI will give it. If you come here, I like having the ability to have receptionists cancel and actually reschedule appointments. So what happens if somebody calls in and schedules an appointment, and then they realize after the call, they get the text message saying tomorrow at 9 o'clock in the morning, they're like, oh crap, I've got another appointment that conflicts. So they call back and say, hey, I have an appointment tomorrow at 9 o'clock. I need to move it to another time, or I need to cancel it. If you don't have these options selected, then the voice AI agent can't do that automatically. It will have to pass that on to a team member and have to have that done. But as long as you check these boxes and then you click save, then now the agent can simply reschedule or even cancel the appointment directly over the call without getting the agent or the office manager or anybody else involved whatsoever. Everything can be done automatically. And I'm just going to go ahead and click save. Now that we've done that, I'm going to sit back and actually show you. The last call is about just gathering information, and it simply said, hey, we'll have a team member reach back out to you. That's because we didn't have appointment booking set up. So now what I want to do is I want to do a new call, and I want to start this again.
Hey, you have reached Plumbing Masters.
Yes, I have a question. I have a problem with my kitchen sink, but I don't know. Am I allowed to replace my kitchen sink myself? Do I need a permit for that?
Thanks for asking. I couldn't find a specific answer about permits for replacing a kitchen sink in the information I have. Permit requirements can vary depending on your city or county. To be sure, I'd recommend checking with your local building department or city office before starting work. A team member from Plumbing Masters will also give you a call back soon to help with your question and make sure you get the right guidance.
Yeah, I tell you what, let me just see if I can schedule an appointment to have them come on and just replace the kitchen faucet, because I need to get this fixed as soon as possible.
Here are the soonest available times for a plumber to come out and replace your kitchen faucet. Tomorrow, August 12th at 8 a.m., 10 a.m., or 12 p.m. Or Thursday, August 13th at 8 a.m., 10 a.m., or 12 p.m. Do any of these work for you? If you need a different time, just let me know.
Tomorrow at 10 o'clock works fine.
Great, I'll get you set for tomorrow at 10 a.m. Just a couple quick things to confirm your booking. I have your name as guest visitor 002. Is that correct?
No, my name is Rayo Daniel.
Thanks, Rayo. Got it. I see we have your email as ray@smb360.il. Is that correct?
I'd like to use a different email at ray@gmail.com.
Thank you. So just to confirm, that's ray@gmail.com, right?
Correct.
Perfect. Thanks for confirming. May I have your address for the booking?
Sure, 123 Main Street, Atlanta, Georgia.
Just to make sure I have it right, is your address 123 Main Street, Atlanta, Georgia? Could you please provide your phone number for the booking? I'll read it back to make sure I have it right.
212-555-8888.
Thanks. So that's 212-55-8888. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Great, thank you. Do you have any additional notes or special requests for your appointment? For example, anything specific about the faucet or access to your kitchen?
Nope. I just want it replaced with something similar.
You're all set, Rayo. Your appointment is confirmed for tomorrow, August 12th at 10 a.m. The plumber will come to 123 Main Street in Atlanta, Georgia to replace your kitchen faucet with something similar. A team member will call you back if there are any updates or questions. Thanks for choosing Plumbing Masters.
So you see right there, that right there, it actually sat back and answered the question as best it could. Now, in this particular case, it didn't have any particular exact information. So rather than just making something up, the AI agent just simply said, I don't know. But typically, it does have questions regarding permits. So it said, hey, for best, contact your local municipality. And you saw I just simply responded, no, I don't want to deal with that. Just come out and fix it. So that right there is how powerful the high-level AI agents are, how quickly you can get this configured. And here's the great thing. Once we get this thing set up, now there is some additional things that I didn't go over, like you have to actually create their account inside of the HighLevel software platform. That takes about 5 minutes to go through and do that. So once you have their account, then you come into their account and get this set up. That's another, let's just say 10 minutes to get the AI agent, the appointment booking, the calendar set up, and all that other stuff. So we're at like 15 or 20 minutes to get their account created, get them set up. And at this point, you can actually show them how you can call in and how this will actually respond. Now, I would actually give it probably another 15 or 20 minutes to go through and set up some of the custom workflow automations that handle the automatic sending of the SMS messages and the emails for the appointment bookings. All of that stuff does require it, but I just want to show you, as far as the AI agent, how quickly and easily you can get it set up. You don't need any prior tech experience. I just simply went in, clicked a few buttons, chose a few calendars, checked a few boxes, and that's all I needed to actually have this thing respond. You saw it gathered all the information. It did exactly what it was supposed to do. And now it's working 24/7 for the small business owner, collecting information. And now the small business owner doesn't even need a receptionist. They don't even need an after hours call center if they ever had one. They're just simply paying you $297 a month, which, by the way, is a hell of a lot cheaper than hiring somebody to answer the phones within business hours. You don't have to worry about employees, people not showing up, health benefits, or anything like that. It's just simply an AI person that answers calls, book appointments, and there's a lot of other cool things that you can do. But once this is done, let's just say it takes 1 hour. Let's just give it 1 hour to set up everything for this particular customer. You get a customer paying you $297 a month. You set it up for 1 hour, and you really don't ever have to come back to this client again. It just continues to work month after month, and they continue to pay you $297 for what you just did. Now, if that interests you, there's a 30-day free trial in the video description. Please go through, click on that. If you do sign up, you'll get emails from me about a lot of the other bonuses I told you about. You can just copy and paste all this stuff into your account to help you get your business set up literally within a day, 2 days max to get this thing going. But just simply talking to business owners and saying, hey, I can offer you a virtual AI employee that can answer phone calls and do this for simply $297 a month. And if you wanted to, you can even offer it to them on a trial. You can even offer them a 7 or 14-day trial to let them see what it's like, show how well it works, show how many calls they don't have to answer every day, the business owner or the office, and then how many bookings they actually get. So that right there will actually sell itself. Thanks for hanging in there with me. If you liked the video, you learned a few things, click on the like button, leave me a comment. If you have any questions, I'm here for you, and just have a great day. Bye-bye.